Hello. Hi. Hi everyone. This is Raora Panthera from Hololive Justice. Yeah, that's me. Do you remember me? Do you remember? Yes, that's me. That's my new voice. This is my real voice now. I changed since the doom day. I'm not the same cat anymore. I am different. I've been trapped in this black hole since then, and I've been so lonely. I also recreated my own room because I was feeling so lonely. Yes, and that's my new me now. I hope you're gonna welcome my new self.
Okay, that's enough. Enough. Wait. Huh? Wait. I still have my voice mod in my ears. One sec. It's so funny. Please stop. Okay. Not anymore. Oh my god. Let me quit this app. Oh, wait. Can you hear me? Hi. Hello. Oh, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh my god. Hi everyone. Can you hear me? Okay. Now. Yes. I am still in this black hole though. Yeah. This is why I disappeared for so many days. Huh? Hi everyone. Can you hear me? Is it loud enough? Is it good? Oh my gosh. I'm not used to this anymore. I'm not used to this anymore. So many Tatini here. Hi. Okay, it's good. Okay. Let me know if it's too low. So I'm talking really quietly. I'm talking really quietly right now, like because I still can't like scream and such, but I'm trying to talk really quietly, and I hope you guys can hear me. If you cannot hear me, please let me know. I will try my best to to raise the volume on OBS. I will boost. So many Tatini. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. I am so nervous. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I was so nervous. I was like, wow, that's gonna be just chatting stream, but I'm so nervous for some reason. Hi everyone, this is Raora Panthera from Hololive English Justice. Oh my gosh. Okay, how did you miss me? I missed you guys. Oh my god, I'm not used to stream anymore. What is this? Oh, I'm not used to stream anymore. Okay, I'll get better in a sec. I missed you guys so much. I'm so happy. Let me tell you, Happy New Year! Woo! 2026. I was so sad that I couldn't be there for the countdown and for the New Year celebration. I was looking forward to see you guys there, but I was trying my best to come back when as soon as I could. So I'm still not going to handle huge streaming sessions, but I will try my best to come back slowly, little by little, without straining my voice too much. And today was the perfect day to come back. I think I really, really wanted to come back as soon as possible. I was feeling so depressed. I was like, what am I going? I mean, I was still doing lots of stuff, honestly, in the background. Like I was drawing a lot, planning other things, making shorts, and other stuff that I can't tell you right now. And also there is a big thing coming in 2 days from now, and you're gonna see it soon. So yeah, we're gonna talk about everything today. It's gonna be just chatting. We're gonna chit chat about it. Yeah, but I'm so happy to be back. I am so grateful that you guys are here. I was really, I don't know, I was always so afraid. I was always so afraid that, like, oh, my chatini, they're gonna forget about me. Obviously no. Just Raora. Yeah. You got the reference. Never. Oh, thank you guys. Oh my god, Mila made me cry. I was really excited to see you again. I realized, it's been a month, guys. A month. A month is like a lot in this industry, like it's huge. It's like a lot. Especially like for me that I used to stream pretty much every day, and how can I say that, like I used to streaming used to be my daily routine. So not streaming for a month, it was huge for me. Just a month. Yeah, it does look, it does, like it looks long, like it seems longer to me as well. You guys right. Happy New Year, everyone. Oh, let me drink some water. I need to hydrate a lot.